Howdy folks. I've got this old HARPA lock. This is actually the first lock I ever single pin picked. I've been able to find out exactly zero about it online. Just brass, old, got a nice patina to it. I love it. So let's single pin pick this. Here's what I'm using. Sparrows, diamond, slate hook. I don't know what they call it. I forget. It's my favorite pick. So there's nothing on 1 or 2. 3 or 4. There, 5. There we go. Just that easy. However, I was messing around with it recently and found out that it is unshielded. So, boom. There we go. Still one of my favorite locks. I just like the look of it. Anyway, thanks for watching.